Okay, the wife wants a crosscut saw DXF. He seems like a cool guy. And it sounds like an emergency, so let's help him out. Let's make it about 48 inches wide, 6 inches tall. We'll make the teeth about 3/4 inches tall. And the handle zone about 2 inches wide. And I'll mirror that up to make the handle. Like so. Couple of 1/2-inch holes. Copy that. Now we just need to make the teeth. We'll make them 0.25 wide. Center that. Mirror that. Convert to curves. Mirror that. Weld. Duplicate that. Double the nodes. Drag that down. Delete that and that. And fillet that about 0.03. And fillet these 0.02. And that 0.03. And then these spacers, make that a rounded rectangle. Drop it down a little bit. Duplicate it back over here. Delete that one. Now I need to weld these 3 pieces together. And mirror. And trim that off. Trim that out. That. Move it over. Weld those together. Trim this out. That is 1.25 inches wide. This is about 40 inches. So we'll duplicate that to the right, 1.25 inches, about 32 times. And then we'll do a couple more. And then I will mirror that. And trim it off there. And there. I'll move that over. Mirror that. Move it down here. Then I will weld all that together. Scale this up. Weld this to it. And then I'm going to make the bow that same 3/4 inches. So I'll do an envelope. And delete that, that, and that. Weld these on. Fillet that about 0.09 inches. Select all. Combine. Center on the page. And that should do it. And if you need it taller, you can just move all this up a little bit. Like that. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.